months, procure more printing machines and ramp up passport replacement services targeting Kenyans ahead of the December 31st, 2021 deadline. The Directorate of Immigration Services Director General Alexander Muteshi, while launching the last-mile passport delivery services in conjunction with the Postal Corporation of Kenya, said the move will improve printing capacity to 30,000 passports monthly.
What is now emerging is that government documentation processing has now been ramped up. But now the delivery services is the bottleneck in the whole process. And to come from something of this nature that used to happen in the past to an e-commerce platform is where the country seems to be headed.
Kenya announced the latest new passport generation in 2017. In 2019, 10 new immigration centers were opened in a bid to ease congestion in the issuance of the new passports. However, uptake has been slow owing to the COVID-19 pandemic and general public apathy.
COVID has taught us a couple of lessons. It has taught us that anything can happen to us, and we don't trust anybody anymore.
This prompted the government to extend the deadline of getting the new passports to December 31st, 2021. The Directorate of Immigration is scouting for partnerships to ramp up issuance and delivery of the document to Kenyans.
To look for innovative ways to reduce congestion in our offices, while at the same time ensure continuity of service delivery to our customers. We did realize that the Postal Corporation of Kenya offers enormous capacity and opportunity.
We want to achieve delivery to the door, the delivery to the office, the last mile delivery. That's what we want to make it easier for Kenyans to be served in their comfort of wherever they are.
So far, 156,000 new passports have been printed and dispatched through the Postal Corporation of Kenya network, which has a branch network of 650 branches countrywide, but not without teething problems.
To us, resources, we know now, are not there. So the best we can do with ourselves is to utilize the resources that we have optimally.
The design of the new passport delivery system will utilize USSD technology for those unable to utilize their full passport application customer portals.
With the advent of COVID-19, every corporate entity is looking to ways to remove themselves from the unhealthy decision to bring masses onto one spot. And the decision by the Postal Corporation of Kenya and the Directorate of Immigration Services to come together to give you the last mile solution for getting your government documents seems to be the norm that is coming to the country. Alan Aoko, Channel 1 Business, Nairobi.